Today, we are going to create an awesome self-programming resource that is going to be absolutely amazing and highly beneficial for all users. To start, take a seat or recline in a position that is comfortable for you. Just unwind your entire body. While you're chilling, I'll explain how this technique works and the benefits it can provide for you. She works on a subconscious level, utilizing self-programming through willpower and adult position, saying, "I decide to change my state." With determination, she operates to manifest this shift in consciousness, employing techniques for transformation. On each occasion when you're tired, feeling down, or in need of energy, you have the opportunity to come to this location and make a change to your state of being. If you're a strong, logical thinker and enjoy being in control of everything, you may feel a sense of confusion or irritation while performing the technique, and that is completely acceptable. Simply attempt to eliminate that sensation. In the same manner, we will eliminate all the negativity from your body while executing this technique. Just take it easy. Just have confidence and rely on me. You can relax and trust that I'll handle it. Here's a place where you'll be safe. No need to worry. In a situation where you do not need to have control over or wait for any specific thing or event to occur, you can simply relax and go along with the current. Release all expectations and simply follow my guidance. Each time this technique can vary from the one that came before it. And that is okay. We can begin. Let us start our task without any more delay or hesitation. Just chill out your whole body. Examine the interior and concentrate on the tips of your toes. Take it easy on them. Take a load off your feet. Relax your thighs. Take a moment to relax your buttocks and let go of any tension. Relax your lower back. Relax your back. Relax your shoulders. Relax the back of your neck. Relax the back of your head. Relax your forehead. Relax your temples. Relax your eyes. Relax your lower back. Relax your back. Relax your shoulders. Relax the back of your neck. Relax the back of your head. Relax your forehead. Relax your temples. Relax your eyes. Relax your lips. Lower your jaw. Bring your nose and tongue in to achieve a state of relaxation and alignment in the muscles of your face. Take a moment to relax the front surface of the neck and the entire face. Loosen up the collarbones for added comfort. Relax the chest and let go of any tension. Take a deep breath and relax the stomach. Focus on relaxing the front surface of the legs. Finally, relax the fingers of the hands and enjoy a sense of calm. Relax your wrist, forearms, and hands completely. Examine your inner self and identify the areas in your body where negativity is currently concentrated. Take a moment to connect with these feelings and sensations. Perhaps it is your sadness or anger. Perhaps it is the pain of your soul. Or maybe it is the anxiety or stress that you are currently experiencing in your life. Where exactly is that sensation located? Where do you feel it within your body precisely? Maybe it is a lump in the throat. Maybe it is the sensation you feel in your chest, like a tightening or heaviness, or perhaps in another location. Simply attempt to relax in this particular place. And envision like you commence inhaling in the identical location where this sensation that is troubling you is positioned. You inhale deeply through your nostrils, taking in a long breath, and then exhale into that space, feeling the way your breath pushes out of your body, releasing all the negative emotions, all the tiredness, all the stress or pain that you've been holding on to. You sense the tension gradually diminishing in this particular moment. You are becoming more and more relaxed as time goes on, and your stress levels continue to decrease. If you have numerous of these locations in your body, you can also direct your breath there. Exhale through your nostrils and exhale into that location, relaxing it and releasing all tension. Take a deep breath and continue to breathe deeply, allowing yourself to fully relax. Take a deep breath, relax, breathe out. You can inhale and exhale until you sense that the tension has dissipated. Take a deep breath as you inhale and slowly release it as you exhale. Repeat this process of breathing until you feel the tension gradually fading away and a sense of calmness washing over you. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe in deeply. Exhale, and when you feel it, you cleared your mind, when you completely relaxed, when you eliminated what was bothering you, dissolving that feeling. We will provide you with the emotions you need at this moment in time. Our body and our brain are an incredible mechanism that possesses the remarkable ability to evoke a certain feeling or state, irrespective of the surrounding circumstances and events that may be present. At this very moment, you have the liberty to choose any emotion for yourself, any emotion that you need, any emotion that you are in need of right now. In this present moment in time, you witness a panel in front of you, and on it is the complete range of emotions that you have the ability to choose for yourself. There is a button located on her, and on the button, it clearly states the particular feeling that you require the most in the present moment. What does it say over there? Generally, the first thing that comes to your mind is typically the most accurate and reliable in most cases. Perhaps it is the sensation of relaxation and tranquility. Maybe it's the feeling of tenderness, softness, and femininity that creates a sense of calm. Perhaps it is the sensation of self-confidence, positive energy, and allure. Select any preferences you desire. Tap on the button that captures your attention. And after that, you begin to experience the sensation that you had been longing for. Put a smile on your face now, letting it radiate from your heart, bringing joy and positivity to your entire being in this very moment. Do you perceive the way this feeling is like, it enters your being and completely occupies you? What color is it? The first thing that came to mind was, what is the color of it? I am curious to know the color. Can you please tell me the color? This is the color that you have been missing out on. It is the perfect shade you've been longing for. He has the ability to calm you down, harmonize your being, and fill your entire body with such tranquility that it overflows, spreading serenity to every part of you. He occupies the empty space where your pain previously existed, and you experience an even greater sense of weightlessness. Recall that pleasant sensation you selected in your current life situation at this very moment. What were your feelings when it occurred? How did you feel? You see, you have the ability to summon that feeling within yourself at any given moment. We have the ability to elicit any feeling: joy, happiness, tenderness, self-confidence. We can also elicit negative emotions if needed. Therefore, we have the freedom to select our own state, irrespective of the prevailing circumstances. If you have chosen a feeling of relaxation and tranquility, you will experience it right now. What is it like for you? Encounter the relaxation and tranquility that it brings. If you chose the feeling of tenderness, softness, femininity, do you feel like that right now? What is your response when you experience tenderness towards another person? At which times do you personally experience a sense of femininity within yourself in your day-to-day life? If you have chosen the feeling of self-confidence, brightness, and sexuality, you will feel it. Recall the emotions you experience when you are dressed up and looking your best. It is similar to a bright fire burning within, providing assistance in straightening your shoulders and making your walk more confident. You are gazing straight ahead with a focused and unwavering gaze. You have a pleasant sensation that evokes the urge to form a smile on your face. If you want to experience happiness, you have the option to proceed and select it. At this moment, you are smiling and experiencing the sensation of butterflies fluttering inside of you. You can sense the power and energy when everything is within your grasp and accessible to you. Simply recall the sensation you felt when you encountered it in life and activate it at this very moment. Simply make the choice to preserve and maintain this profound feeling deep within the core of your being. Consider what you possess in your life that you are genuinely appreciative of. What are the things or experiences that bring you genuine happiness and a deep sense of joy in your life? At this moment, the light is still in the process of filling you up, and that sensation which was greatly absent, experience it Take a moment to lie down for a little while longer, holding on to that feeling. And when you feel like you've had enough, you can slowly open your eyes and gradually come out of the self-programming practice, allowing yourself to transition back to your surroundings at a comfortable pace. Avoid diving right into the worries with your previous emotions. At this moment, you are aware that you have the right to choose which emotions you will experience and decide how they will impact you. Currently, you have just rebooted and released all the negativity that was weighing you down. Do not permit him to enter. Hold on to that feeling you selected for as long a duration as you possibly can. Set yourself an alarm clock to ring every hour and remind you to turn on that feeling again. You are a mature individual, capable of exercising control over your emotions and empowered to make conscious choices regarding them for your own well-being. The more you strive, the more it will grow in power and intensity with each meditation, with each alarm clock that rings loudly and startles you awake from your peaceful sleep.
And at this moment, I take my leave, entrusting you to navigate and embrace the challenges and opportunities that await in your freshly established state of being.
You can gradually open your eyes and emerge from the practice. Or you can recline for a little while longer and...
In order to have this incredible feeling, you need to immerse yourself in the experience.
With my heartfelt love, Yana.